Parang yung first work niya was cargador sa dito?
Ilan ang employees nila?
Actually, ano lang, yung parang maraming kaibigan si Papa. Anong tawag doon yung parang
Ilan ang employees?
wala actually, hindi siya employees. Yung parang kaibigan niya lang na walang trabaho, then pumupunta sa kanya, then inuutusan niya lang, ganyan, ganito, then bayaran niya na on the spot. Ganon.
So it's not a family business.
Judgment!
It is a family business. And then,
Before your dad pa?
what?
It's a family business now, but I mean before
Even before your dad.
it wasn't.
No, kay dad na nag-start.
Ah, okay.
Papa.
Courageous daddy.
Yes, very much. I love him so much.
Okay. Judgment, Nyaki?
Truth.
Chris?
Truth.
Lie. Parang di ka sigurado. Okay.
False.
Thank you, Sen.
Squeeze it out.
Diesel?
Parang ganun po yung... Kasi yung ibang tanong, hindi niya nasagot.
Oh, so no, just answer it. Truth or lie?
So, maybe.
Or
Yung iba, parang true. Hindi ko masagot.
No, just say truth or lie.
Ano na lang, lie po.
Lie.
Miguel,
Lie.
answer.
Or,
Ha? Say it.
it's truth.
Ito, oh.
Oh, yaman mo.
Hindi tanong.
You know, napansin ko agad na totoo kasi nag-umpisa siya na, alam ko, ay, parang sabi niya
Hindi ka maniniwala. Akala ko
hindi
tricky
kayo
lang yun.
maniniwala.
Like what I was doing. Akala ko ginagawa.
Akala ko yun. Tsaka nakausap ko siya nung nasinsiyo.
Okay. When we do diction class, okay mo yan o maya.
Ay, sorry po. Oo nga pa na.
Who wants a star?
ako.
Me, sir.
Get one and pass. Wala mo na magtuturuan, ha?
Isang hinahan yan.
Isang hinahan.
Tama naman kung gano'n nakakaya.
Isang hinahan.
Get one and pass.
Ayun po.
Thank you, Chris.
Ako.
Pronounce English.
Truth or lie, ayaw na kung
I have a husband. I'm doing.
Arnie, Sen, Bugoy, Van.
ayaw na pony.
Gusto ko sa inyo. Wala ako.
Nyaki, Miguel, and Foy. Okay, ready?
Here. Here.
Let's start with Chris.
Paano po
Babasahin
babasahin
mo
mo
lang.
lahat po.
Then, lalagyan ko ng tara pag mali. So, ibig sabihin nun, kung sino pinakaraming, kung sino pinakakonti ang mark, yun yung...
Oh no!
Quiet, huwag kayo magturuan. Okay. Chris, stand up, please. Kaya sabi ko kayo mag-candy Can you...
Sorry po. Dearest creature in creation, study English pronunciation. I will teach you in my verse. Sounds like corpse, corpse, horse, and worse. I will keep you Susie busy, make your head with heat grow dizzy. Tear and eye your dress will tear. So shall I, oh hear my prayer. Just compare heart, beard, and hurt. Dice and diet, Lord and word. Sword and sword, retain and Britain. Mind the latter, how it's written. Now I surely will not plague you with such words and plague and ache. But be careful how you speak. Say break and stake, but bleak and streak. Cloven, oven, how and low. Script, receipt, show, poem, and toe. Hear me say devoid or trickery. Daughter, laughter, and terpsichore. Typhoid, missiles, topsails, isles, exiles. Ano to? Si Mills and reviles, scholar, vicar and cigar, solar, Mika, Warren, far, one, anemone, Balmoral, kitchen, lichen, laundry, L'Oreal, Gertrude, German, wind and mind, scene, Malpomin, mankind. Ang dami na!